Backpack Vacuum Cleaner Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global backpack vacuum cleaner market size will expand at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. North America backpack vacuum cleaner market size will grow at a CAGR of 2.9% from 2024 to 2031. Europe backpack vacuum cleaner market will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific backpack vacuum cleaner market will grow at a CAGR of 6.7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America backpack vacuum cleaner market will grow at a CAGR of 4.1% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa backpack vacuum cleaner market will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.